Let's take a look at the Benchtop tool. This is a game changer for anyone wanting to add a benchtop to their order. First up, you get to pick your benchtop shape: straight, L-shaped, or U-shaped. This sets the foundation for your design. Once the preview loads, you can dial in the exact dimensions you need. Adjust the thickness of the top and select your material and color, either by searching directly for what you want or browsing the full library. Once you're happy with the dimensions and materials, it's time to look at edge profiling. This is where you get to choose the edge profile, like a tight form or square edge, and pick which sides get which finish. If you want seam or laminated ends, just click the relevant ends and select your preference. Head to the Join tab to select your preferred join type: full miter, mason's miter, or dogleg miter. Here's where the system smarts really shine. As soon as you set your benchtop dimensions, the tool automatically knows which joins are actually available for the size and material that you've chosen. For example, if your benchtop is too long to be made in a single piece, it will instantly offer a butt join option and let you decide exactly where you want that join. Need to make a benchtop fit around a wall or a tricky corner? Head on over to the Corners tab. Click on the edge you want to adjust, enter your notch or clip measurements, and you're sorted. Remember, after setting up any clips or notches, make sure to swing back to the Edge Profile tab to adjust the necessary edging. These little details make a big difference. The Overview tab shows you all your specs: sizes, materials, finishes, the lot. If there's anything special you couldn't do in the tool, use the Variation Request field. Great for custom cutouts or angled tops. Once everything's set, hit Save, and your benchtop will be added to your cart with a real-time price ready to order.